Hi,
Hello,
my name is Sally. What's your name?
can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good, thank you.
What's
What's
your name?
my name is Sahiba.
Oh, nice to meet you. My name is
Nice to
Sally.
meet you. What's your name?
Sally?
Sally. Okay,
Yes.
it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, from the United States.
Wow, United States. It's my favorite uh, country.
Is it? Have you ever
Yeah.
been here?
Sorry?
Have you ever been here? Have you ever visited?
No.
Did you want to?
Yes.
What are you looking forward to if you do ever visit?
Sorry?
What is the reason that you wanted to visit? Like, is there anything specific that you wanted to do?
Actually, I want to complete my study in America.
Oh, what are you studying?
Uh, Islamic study, religious study.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Is there anything specific that you wanted to do today, or did you want to just conversate and practice?
Yes, conversation.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes. Reading books and painting. Yes.
Are you an artist?
Yeah.
Oh,
Not good.
cool. Have you always painted, or is this something that you've newly found as a hobby?
Actually, mm, I'm not good in painting. When I was free, and then I do some paint. I make some house, some trees. Mm, means nature. I like
Okay, so
nature.
you paint nature when you have free time.
Sorry.
You paint nature when you have free time?
Yeah.
That's so cool. I've never been able to paint. Like I like drawing, but I was never able to like just paint. I would have to like draw it out and then paint inside of it. But I just can't freehand paint.
Oh. So what's your hobbies?
I like drawing. I also like watching shows on Netflix.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Um, I'll watch Netflix, I'll watch Hulu or Disney Plus. Um, I started painting my son's nursery.
Mm-hmm.
So I started decorating his room. So I was able to draw on the walls and then like paint over that.
Okay. So tell me, uh, what do you want to become in your life? What's your dream? Do you have?
I want to be a special needs teacher.
Sorry.
I want to be a special educations teacher. I want to work with younger kids and help them develop.
Okay. So your dream is teacher. You want to become teacher.
Yes.
Hmm. Very
What is
nice.
your
My dream, Islamic scholar, scholar
okay?
like
So is
teacher.
it just for like is there a specific thing that you want to teach, or is it just like everything? Is it like a religion that you wanted to teach religion, or is it like studies and like you wanted to like history?
Yes, yes, history.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Yeah. So I want to gain knowledge, all knowledge, Islamic knowledge.
And so you want to be able to teach Islamic knowledge.
Sorry.
You wanted to teach Islamic knowledge?
Yes, yes,
Did you want to specifically teach to children or like adults or both?
all.
Oh, okay. So
Yes.
like that's very broad, which means like you're gonna learn like different aspects. I like that.
Yeah, and I want to give I want to give a speech in front of 10,000 people.
Okay, so you want to speak in front of people.
Yes.
You want to be a public speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to publicly speak and teach knowledge of Islam.
Yeah.
Cool. I get nervous when I have to talk in front of people. That's
Yes.
good though. That is an
I,
amazing goal.
yes. I want to go so far in my life.
Yes.
Yes. Right now, my family members are supporting me a lot um, about study. Yes. And right now we have planning to go to the abroad in America. Yes. So actually, I want to spend my whole life in abroad in America.
Do you want to just spend your entire life in America and like live there, or do you want to like visit other places while you live in America?
Yes, yes, other visit.
Okay, cool. Have you ever been anywhere other than India?
Visit?
You live in India, but have you visited anywhere else?
Yes, yes, in India.
So you've been to different places in India?
Yes, yes.
Okay, where?
In Rajasthan, Gujarat, Delhi. Mm, yes, a lot of states.
What about anywhere outside of India?
Sorry?
Have you visited anywhere outside of India?
Yes.
Like
Outside
what about
outside of India.
like in a different country?
Oh no, 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 no. I thought you asked me in India about in India.
Oh yeah, like the different cities and like different,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, different cities. Yes.
What about is America the only place that you want to visit or like is there like something else where you're like, "Oh, like I really want to go here too."
Yeah.
What about like Europe or Asia or Africa? Have you ever been interested in anywhere like that?
Sorry, speak again.
Have you ever been interested in anywhere like Asia or Africa or Europe?
I don't understand.
Okay. Um,
One moment. Yes, yes.
okay, so you are very broad, like you're interested in a lot of places, not just like America, but different countries as well.
Yes, yes, different countries.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
And so when you study abroad in America, like did you want to like visit the different countries as well?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes.
I've always wanted to travel too, but I've always just been in America.
So you are living right now. You are living in America.
Yes.
In which state?
California.
California. Oh yes. Yes. I yes, yes. I want to complete my study in California.
Really?
Yeah. So tell me, there is Islamic universities?
I don't think that there's specifically any Islamic universities, but they're open to different kinds of religion. So people who want to study that can find a school specifically that majors in different cultures. So you would
Yeah.
be able to find a school for that, but it's not
Okay.
one specific school specifically for Islam.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much for talking with me. I hope we get to talk again
Okay.
soon.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you again.
See you later.
Yeah.